What can you say about your lazy habit, attending only one class for this day?
Well, you know, the truth is, I'm very passionate, but I'm only passionate about the things that make me happy. French makes me happy. Soccer does not.
How about
Filipino
you?
does not. Hume 170 does not. Therefore, I am only passionate today about French.
How about tomorrow?
Tomorrow, well, I will be at risk of getting dropped by my professor. Therefore, I will attend my classes tomorrow, I promise.
Go. Ano ba yun?
Hello, RR. What's your favorite subject so far?
My favorite subject, gender relations.
Why? What makes it so exciting?
It's green. Very exciting.
And you're green as
Yes.
well. Can you elaborate on your greenness?
My greenness. My greenness. You wouldn't expect me to be such a green man.
Who's that in your hand? Is that an extension of your greenness?
This one.
Because
That I'm not
it's called male version of you.
Yes, I'm in love with the version of mine. To fantasize.
So you like?
So pretty.
Do you like to fantasize? Is it one of your main hobbies?
Yes. Everyone does.
Does your fantasizing extend into other actions?
What action? Can you please
I don't know.
be specific?
You elaborate on it. Whatever comes to mind.
Is this some kind of green vlog? Oh, I don't-
Please answer the question.
What's the function of fantasizing if you wouldn't, you know,
Actualize.
yeah, you wouldn't manifest it through your actions?
What would
That's the
you
truth.
What would you say if your mother saw this video?
She's aware.
She knows that you're green.
Of course.
Does it run in the blood?
I don't know. Because my parents are too, you know, they're
Conservative.
confidential.
Uh,
Maybe they are so, when they are that horny or green. Of course, as parents, they don't want to let us know how green they are.
Oh, is that so? So you're trying to rebel against that sort of image that your parents have established.
Whose image? Mine?
Yes. I mean, don't they want you to be as conservative as they are?
My mom,
It's okay.
for me, it's okay because she wants us to be liberated of those things. Even my younger sister knows that thing, those things about green. But my father is quite strict, but he don't know that. He doesn't know that we are all aware of those things.
So, can you say that you are an effective influence on your sister?
Yes. Yes, maybe because I download
Yes.
movies. I
what
download
kind
movies.
of movies?
Movies that contain, you know, those
Greenness.
things, the R-rated, but not those live, but of course different from porn. Those from
Light porn.
Yeah. Red shoes, fat shoes, things like
So you're very aware. You're very aware with in regard to the several websites.
Of course, you just have to know how to clear history. Especially when you're using Google Chrome, because when you open a new tab, it automatically shows most visited sites.
Mm,
You must
okay.
know how to clear history in order not to be found out.
So earlier you mentioned that it's quite accepted in your family. Can you say that you're the most liberal member of your family?
I think so.
Oh, really? Are you the only one in UP?
From UP.
In UP.
Oh. And I don't want others to enter UP
Do you
too.
think
I want to be
your
alone.
being a UPian influenced your way of thinking in regard to greenness?
I don't think so. Being in UP just being UP makes me express what really is, what I
Really was
really, how green I really am.
it's innate
Yeah.
but not genetic.
When I was in high school, or in different contexts, of course, it's hidden. We don't want to show. I
So
don't want to show how.
you're innately liberal. Do you
Mm.
think this points to
Being a
suppress
sociologist, I don't think so.
desires, suppress the inner desires? Okay, why do you think you are so liberal?
Because that is how my parents teach me how to be a joke. I don't know how if it's innate or what.
You mean, do you think you're just outwardly quiet and then deep inside you there are desires, carnal desires?
I think my closest friends know how green am I. So they know everything I decide.
But why are you so green?
I don't know how
Why?
actually being green is subjective. I don't know if
Oh.
it's green for you or what.
Do you think in your standards you are green?
Yes, I think so.
How green? Sufficiently green. Joke.
Something that you can identify as green, really.
I mean, people can identify, it can be used as a personal identifier that you're green. So, for example,
No,
when you're among...
it's not my master status.
Yeah, that one. Okay. So, what would you say your master status is?
I think me being green is just the same as how others are green, just like you. I know. We're
Please,
just at the
please
same
try to
level,
be
you know.
objective, considering that I am an interviewer.
You're
What would you say your master status is?
master status. I'm published. Really, everyone with after they saw me, then and after being
Evaluated.
acquainted, they will suddenly tell me that I look yan and yan, I look K-pop, I look
Do you think your
Bieber.
being popish is related in any way to your greenness?
Hmm? I don't think so, because popish looking people
Are innocent?
are instant looking.
Okay, so thank you for answering our questions very honestly, Mr.
Yes,
Innocent.
I'm an honest person.
Okay, bye.